this will be released. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you to open your supply. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Place it over your mouth and nose and adjust the band to secure it, then breathe normally. Do make sure your own mask is correctly fitted before helping anyone else. All electronic devices, including mobile phones, must be switched off whenever the engines are running on the ground, during takeoff, approach and landing. Please ensure your mobile phone and any devices that can send or receive calls or text messages remain off for the flight. Any items with a flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Some electronic devices can be used once we're airborne. Please check High Life magazine. Take care your hand baggage isn't blocking the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. But place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall and injure someone. As we prepare for takeoff, please make sure that your tray table is put away, your seat is upright and your armrest is down. Finally, take a look at the safety card in the seat pocket. If you have any questions, please ask your crew. We hope you have a relaxed and enjoyable flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be dimming the cabin lighting for takeoff. If you do wish to continue reading, you will find a light in the panel above your head. Thank you. Thank you, cabin crew. Seats for takeoff. morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lisa Reid, and it's my pleasure to be your customer service manager on board this flight to London Heathrow Terminal 5. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our Executive Club members and our 1 mile frequent flyers.